up, YouTube? It's your boy TJ, and I'm back again with another banger, y'all. Today it's about to go down because today I'm going to be reacting to Raining Sorrow performs Raindrop live on the Wish USA bus, alright? Now, if y'all know, this is Easy Mill's sister, alright? Now, we've reacted to her before. I don't know if we reacted to Raindrop, which I don't think we did. I'm not sure, but I'm about to look it up. Let's see, Raindrop, bam. Okay, so we haven't reacted to this song, like the video, if she got a video. But this is her performing this shit live, you dig? So let's jump into that. Let go. Shit loud as fuck. Come on.
Sunlight breaches through the room in a spectacle like in full bloom, and I wonder why can't I smile?
Wish.
Okay. Now she look just like Easy Mill in the face a little bit.
Take no more the curtains, I have shut them closed, cause I don't seem to let that happy light. They all say that they're gonna stay, but
you know they ain't.
I know it's all
a lie. It's a motherfucking lie, you damn right it is. Right? I'm fucking with a motherfucking Raining Sorrow right now. You dig? She calling the spade a motherfucking spade. So let's go.
I know it's all a lie. Sorry, forgive me, but I don't know who I am.
We gotta find that out.
I used to have loved you, but now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling.
That is not her playing that piano. Oh hell no! I'm about to say what the fuck. Man, I like when they be in that bus, man. That shit is dope. How it shows the motherfucking the drone view. The drone view is definitely awesome.
Feels like I've been shut inside a box where I can't see the light, and it don't seem that I want to get out.
Damn. You know what's crazy is you couldn't pull up one of those buses around her and how some of these local artists can get in the damn bus. Hell no. The bullshit they'll be cranking out, no. Ain't nobody on no fucking music like this here in this fucking state. Or city, shall I say.
The people who have loved me so are in places that I do not know, and
right.
It don't seem that I really wanna shout.
Nah, yo, you good.
Sorry, forgive me, but I don't know who I am. I used to have loved you, but now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling.
I'm fucking with this, y'all. Salute to motherfucking Raining Sorrow, man. Right now the vibe is at a 10. She can sing, y'all, for real. The beat right now is a cool 10 too. You dig? I'm fucking around with it. This sound like some damn what's that girl name? Celine Dion shit. You dig? She used to kill shit too. I guess. I mean, the song that they used to play, Celine Dion, I think it was on motherfucking Titanic when she was singing and shit when it was going down in the water and shit. That shit was hard. You dig? in rap, you can't just let the beat go like that, man. They gonna be like, oh, this nigga stalling. Nah, you can't just let the beat play. And this shit is cool, man. Let the beat sit back. Let that beat marinate in a nigga head. You did. Okay.
A place where I cannot console feelings that I do not know.
Okay.
The
Go.
person that I used to be is lost inside reality, and I wish that I did what I was told.
Okay, shit.
Sorry, forgive me, but I don't know who I am.
Wish exclusive
Wow.
I'm deep
on Wish
inside me,
1075.
and now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling.
This is deep, y'all. This is deep. I'm rocking with it, man. Like raindrops falling, man. You definitely gotta find yourself, man. You can't love nobody till you love yourself. That's definite. You know what I'm saying? Because people gonna hate on you, people gonna throw shade on you, but you can't pay attention to them. You gotta pick that ball up and you gotta keep going. You dig? I'm not saying pick the ball up and go home, nigga. I'm not saying give up and go to the crib, go cry about it. Nah, I'm saying pick your ball up, keep dribbling down the court, motherfucking shoot the three or go up for the alley, nigga. If you can slam, nigga, if you got hops, nigga, slam that joint like she did. She just slammed this joint because it's a solid 10, you dig? And that was my reaction to the video. Go and comment your reaction down below on what you get a video between 1 and 10. Put a fire emoji if it was hot, trash emoji if it was not, but definitely comment down below. Also, if you want another Rain and Sorrow reaction, guess what, y'all? For another Rain and Sorrow reaction, I need 100 likes, man. I know y'all can do it. I know y'all can give a nigga 100 likes, man. If y'all give me 100 likes, man, I go deeper into Rain and Sorrow catalog. If I already did everything, then we're going to easy meal. You know what I'm saying? If I didn't hit somebody else, then y'all comment down below who in the hell else I can go with. You did. So we can keep the ball rolling. But that's all I got for the video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. I'm out this thing. Gang.